Hi, my friends. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. I've been doing a lot of design work and I need to test out the stuff that I've made. So, this is a good day to do this. And I thought I'd bring you along here while I'm doing it. First thing I'm going to do is bring up my first prop layer here. This is like a rooftop. And we'll just move that here like this. Now, I want this to go to the front. And it looks like it's too big. I'm just going to scale it down just a little bit, make it look a little more realistic. Now I want to put a nice, big, beautiful background. Again, I'm going to just use it as a prop this time. And let's just bring this out here. Now look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Look at those nice, beautiful red colors and orange. Really beautiful. I love this. This is awesome. This is cool. It reminds me when I visited this place, I was actually quite shocked because it was just such a beautiful place. Nice, quiet, peaceful, and the colors just blended. It's really, really good place to visit. This temple is in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Very good place to visit. And just look at that. Doesn't that look good? Now let's pretend that a meerkat was visiting. So this is an animal prop. So here he is here. Let's just bring him out. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to try and animate him or not. Probably not. I'm just going to leave this as a static prop. But anyway, we'll scale him down to size there. He's visiting the temple. People would be shocked if they ever saw an animal like this running around here. It would get more attention than the temple probably. Going to make a duplicate of him. Just hold down Control, click and drag. Nice and easy. And now I can have them face each other if I want. So you can see here I can have them pretend they're having some type of issue and they just face away. So he went that way, he looks that way, and this looks good. Great, I like this. Anyway, I'm going to show you the bird that I'm going to probably add bones to. So I'll show you that in another video. So let's just bring out our next one here. And here's our bird. There he is. Nice and easy to take him out. Now you can see he's looking right at us. So that'd be a really good prop. But I'll make it probably into like a free bone character. You'll get to see a video on that later. So we'll just scale him down to size here. And he likes to climb on things. You know, these type of birds, they like to jump on everything. I've actually seen them in real life. And that's what they like to do. They don't like to touch the ground. They like to jump on things and go across all over the place. It's actually interesting to watch them. And again, I just hold down Control because I'm just testing him out. Now I could probably put him on the ground. And there we go. Now I don't need this here. Click on him and we're going to go like this. And there we go. Nice and easy. So if I don't want these things here, just easy. Click and delete. And let's move on to our next part. Again, prop layer. I'm going to bring it here. Now I need to move this to the front a little bit. So I'm going to scale it. Bring it to the front because I'll be adding some stuff to the back. If I make a mistake, I just hit Control and Z at the same time. And just make sure to bring this up here like this. It looks nice and big, but I think it's too big. So again, I'm going to scale it down, move it to the middle, and just bring it out like this. And there we go, nice and easy. Going to start bringing out our buildings in the background. Nice big skyscrapers. Again, I can go like this, scale it down, bring it up like this, and then we have our buildings. Hold down Control and click and drag, and we have our duplicates. And it's very easy to make duplicates. You can make as many as you want, as fast as you want, as you can see I'm doing here. But we'll just stop at 5, that's fine. Now I'm going to bring out my final props here. These are static props. We have this old car here. I isolated this from a photo I took. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is something you would probably find in the desert. So anyway, you can see here it's really seen time. Time's passed and left it like this. And then finally we're going to bring out our last one here. So we open it up, tells it's going to rescale it, which means I need to make these smaller when I upload them to the store. But anyway, here we go. There we go, nice and easy. There we go. We are almost finished. Now that wouldn't be as big as a car, so we need to shrink it down. Hold down Control, and let's see how fast we can drag them out here. So I'll just put this here, and then we have a line of them. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you're new to our community, please subscribe, help us grow. I'll be doing some more videos later. I have a lot of stuff to get done, but anyway, it's interesting to have a YouTube channel and also trying to do design and also have a full-time job. Anyway, see you all later, my friends. See you, and I'll see you in the chat, and have a good day.